Hey everyone, in this video I'll share the best ways to get NordVPN at a cheaper price. From special promotions to referral perks, here's how you can save money on your subscription. Quick note before we start, NordVPN often runs major seasonal discounts, and right now you can get 73% off plus 3 free months through the link in the description. First, student discounts. If you're a student or apprentice between 18 and 26 years old, you may qualify for an extra discount. You'll just need to verify your student status through NordVPN's student program to unlock lower pricing. Second, coupon codes. NordVPN regularly releases promo codes tied to monthly deals. These can usually be entered during checkout and will instantly reduce the total price. Third, affiliate codes. Many YouTubers, tech bloggers, and influencers partner with NordVPN and share exclusive links or codes. These often unlock additional discounts beyond the standard offers. Next, the NordVPN referral program. When you invite a friend and they sign up, you'll receive an extra free month added to your subscription. It's an easy way to extend your plan without paying more. And finally, seasonal sales. NordVPN runs some of its biggest promotions during events like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and holiday sales. These are typically the cheapest times to buy or renew a subscription, so those are the best ways to get NordVPN for less. Student discounts, coupon codes, affiliate deals, referral rewards, and seasonal promotions. And don't forget, you can already get 73% off plus 3 free months using the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.